find the opportunity of growth, help them achieve the dreams that they want, but more importantly, lead by example. Show them. What's the best way that I could teach my 4 girls how a man should treat them? By treating them like how a man should treat them. Open the door for them. Show manners. More importantly, give their mother love in front of them so they can see. What's the best way to show my son how to respect women and how to be a good man? By leading by example, by showing them. But here's the thing. You can't ask your children to respect you. You can't ask your wife to trust you. You can't ask the outside families to believe in you. If you don't believe in any of that for you, if you haven't done the work on you, if you don't trust yourself, if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't understand your worth and your value and your worth when you step into that family is 0. Your job is to build that stock up so that when it trades 10 years later, it's trading at $100, $200. Right now, it's like a penny stock. There's not a lot of value in it because you haven't shown longevity within the market, which is your family. It's a little financial hypothetical for you. So, opportunity versus obligation. Are you seeing this time as an opportunity to become a better you, to develop a better them, or us, develop a better us, which is you and your partner, and then to really fine-tune the them part, which is the relationship with your kids? Here's a great start. Stop referring to them as your stepkids. Try. Maybe not out loud. Let's say you don't do it out loud. Don't do it out loud. If it makes you uncomfortable, don't do it out loud. Do it in your head. Try. Try placing a different value system on them right off the bat so you don't see them as an outsider the entire time. Try. What's the worst that can happen? Okay, now what's the best that can happen? Right.
On the wall, I'll fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you.